Hello, I'm going to show you how to actually make this text look like it's behind an object. So to get started, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select this text right here, where it says Maui, and we're actually going to give it a layer mask right here, okay? Then we're going to go into selecting our brush right here, and we're going to go into the settings and we're going to change the size to 25, and the hardness of this brush is going to be at 40%. Now, depending on your photo, you would change those things, but this is what we're going to do now. Right here, we want the foreground color to be black. We see that it's white. We want it to be black. So let's switch that right there. And right now, I'm going to go over the corners with that little layer mask selected. Make sure your opacity is at 100%. I'm going to go over and I'm going to just paint over those areas. So what it's doing is erasing it, but it's making it look like it is going behind the object, okay? Giving it a kind of like a three-dimensional feel, right? Different layers here. And don't worry if you mess up a little bit. Now, also, let's go over to this text right here, and let's make it look like it's coming out of the ocean. This tutorial is in Photoshop. So right now I'm going over the letters here at the bottom to make it look like the text is rising out of the ocean. And on this layer mask, I'm hiding it. Now, if you notice, I kind of went too far on the text. That's fine. Now we're going to go over to the magnifying glass, and I'm going to magnify this up real close, okay? I'm going to switch the foreground color so it's not black anymore, but back to white. And now I'm going to go to the brush, and over the areas where I have kind of painted, I'm going to basically go over there and now go back over with white the areas where I need to bring back so that it looks a little bit better. And then I'm going to push down space bar to move it when I'm zoomed in so far like this. And see how I'm just going over this text at the bottom here at the ocean. The areas where I went too far with the black, now I'm going back over with white to make it look just perfect, okay? And back over here to the U on Maui, on the ocean. See how that's looking a lot better? And now see this area right here next to the whale? Right here, I'm going to go back over here to the eye here, right? On this whale right here and make it look like it's kind of much closer than it is. So I messed up because I went too far with the black, but now I'm going back over the letters with the white, making it look closer. That's where you need to be zoomed in real good. And this is going to look a lot better once I zoom back out. So I'm on the Mac right here. So if I wanted to zoom out, I'm going to go Command 0. So now you can do that, and you can actually create that with your own picture with text and make the text look more three-dimensional place the text behind an object with a layer mask, okay? Hopefully that's been